Good morning to all. I am very happy to see you all through this YouTube. This is the continuity of local self-government. So, last class we have seen that importance, objectives, formation, amendments and its features. Today, we are going to see the president and its functions. So, last 2 months back we have completed the election of president. President is the chief of the village. He is the important leader, is elected by the people. We are all only electing because we know that this person can do or not, whether he can applicable to give answer or not. So, on the basis of the service, we are all electing our president. Okay. So, the president is a elected member by the people. I already told you that he is a representative of the government, because he is only going to implement the important programs which is going to be introduced with the help of the government. First one, that panchayat is functioning in the village. We know the meaning of village, where the beneficiary, that is the population, where the beneficiary or the population of village is minimum 500. So, a village can be described whether it is a village or town on the basis of population. Then, we know that president and is a council. The council means ward members. So, the president and the ward members are elected by the people directly. So, we are all electing, this person can do, this ward member can do, we know, because both the president and the ward members are living along with us. We know the character of the concerned person. So, we are all giving priority. I am ready to vote for so and so. Then, and next one, suppose if we want to be stand as a ward member, you must be complete the age of 21. At the age of 18, you are eligible for voting. But at the age of 21, then only you can propose your name as a ward member. Then, how long you can serve? Minimum 5 years. Whether the president or ward members can play is a role from the date of appointment to 5 years. Duration is 5 years. Suppose if you want to do anything for the development of village, you can do up to this 5 years only. Okay. Whether the what are all the works are going on, who will be taking supervise? Yeah. Whether the panchayat work is going on regularly or not is monitored by the district collector. So, each and every village is controlled by the district collector, because he is only sanctioning the amount of the development of each and every village programs. Next one, what are the functions? So, here you are seeing the Mel Manavur Urachi Mandra Aluvalagam. It is near to, on the way to Vellur. It is one of the village. 2 months back only the election was conducted here. Here the day, president name is Sakunthala Kannadasan. Okay. So, he is elected persons by the people to do the following activities. What are the following activities? Supply of drinking water. Yeah, it is a basic one. Drinking water is essential for living healthy life. Then street light. Street light is very essential. Then third one, village road. Almost you can see, even now many of the villages are not at all laid down properly. Laid down properly. Next one, village library. In each and every village, we know that many more persons are educated. They can spend their leisure time in studying library books in the village library. Then, maintenance of drainage. So, the drainage is one of the essential to remove the wastages. Remove the wastages. Next one, construction of group houses. So, the government has introduced a scheme, those whose incomes is less than below up to a certain level, that the ceiling is fixed by government. We know that BPL, below poverty line. So, the person who are all comes under the BPL is categorized by the government on the basis of their annual income. Then, for them alone, that group house is sanctioned. The next one, cleaning street. Cleaning street, whether it's a drainage or whether the village is surrounded by shops or all clean, must be clean. Next one, maintenance of burial ground. Maintenance of burial ground. Few years back, there is no space, there is no specific place for burial ground. Now, after the intervention of the Panchayat Raj system, there is a more development were made in that village development programs. Almost all the villages were attained this benefit. This benefit. Next one, these are the regular functions, whether providing safe drinking water, drainage, street light, roadways, or regular job. Apart from that, voluntary functions. According to the amendment of 1994, the following are voluntarily that the Panchayat must do. First one is what? Street light in villages. Each and every villages must be properly lighted, properly electrified. Almost some of the villages you can see the people are living without light. Some of the villages are not at all linked with the proper road. Even now, at least in the 20th century, the people are not at all having sufficient road facilities. During the election time, we shall see that our election officers are also facing a lot of problem to reach the area. This is the situation. There are more and more funds were allotted to rectify all these basic problems. Whether that problem is solved means no. Still it is existing. Then maintenance of local market, Vara Chandai. Each and every village that people are, president is conducting that market, local market. In KV Kuppam you see Monday is a local market. In Pallikonda, Sunday is a local market. What do you mean by local market? A place is allotted to sell their produced commodity in the market. Market means where the people are gathering in a particular place. So, the producers from the different places were entering here to sell their commodity because the consumers are gathering here. Next one is what? Planting trees, Maram Naduvom. For the past 10 years back, we shall see there is a problem for drinking water because of man is not at all showing more interest in planting trees. So, they were taken effort to clearing the forest alone for the construction of roadways. As soon as the government should do what? After cutting down the trees, we must take effort to plant the new one. So, due to that regular clearing the trees, that the whole of India faces the problem of scarcity of water. That underground water level tends to diminish beyond the limit. In that period only, that a rain harvesting program was conducted by the government for all the government offices compulsorily. Madainir Segaripu Dittam, each and every building, we can see this building is having the facility of rain harvesting project. Yeah, it is one of the successful program. It was implemented by during the Mrs. Selvi Jayalalitha, has shown more interest to raise the groundwater level. Then maintenance of playground. Each and every village, the people are not having adequate facilities for their entertainment. So, the panchayat is arranging and providing material for their environment. So, they can provide that play materials with help of Nehru Yukendra, which shows more interest on the youth development. Their ultimate aim is youth development in village. Next one, maintenance of parking vehicles. So, this is also one of the program which gives additional source to the panchayat. Then, control over places of exhibition. So, when the exhibitions are taken place in that panchayat, they can also take an effort to control them and to fix the minimum prices for the population. So, the people can pay only this much, according to that one you can put your money. So, they can show their power. President, okay, carry on. Next one, sources of income to the local government. Only the 500 peoples are there. How can that panchayat can be managed? Everything we have to analyze. What are the functions have to do by president? There are more works are there, but the availability of financial assistance is very less. Okay, that is, income can be earned by the government, local government through the following taxes. What are the taxes can levy by the president? Property tax, professional tax, house tax, tax on drinking water, land tax, tax on shops. These are all the source of income to the local government. Property tax. How much of the property do you have? According to that, we know that compared to the rural and urban, in urban areas the property tax will be more than that rural area. Next one, professional tax. Todil vari. Suppose if any industries or any educational institutions are exist in that panchayat, means they have to pay the professional tax to the government, professional tax to the local government. Next one is what? House tax. In rural areas, that house tax can be based upon the three. Those who are living in a hamlet, குடிசையில் இருக்கிறவங்க, ஓட்டு வீட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்க, மாடி வீட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்க. So, the three types of taxes were levied in the local government. Next one is what? Taxes on drinking water. Yeah, government spends more money for providing safe drinking water. For that only it is asking a minimum cost. Minimum cost. Compared to that urban area, you see, for getting up a pure drinking water connection, if you want to get a new connection, means you have to deposit 25,000. But in rural areas, it is not like that. 1,500 is collected by the local president for providing drinking water. Monthly 100 rupees. But in an urban area, you can see monthly 200 rupees is collected as a drinking water tax. Next one, land tax. It should be paid compulsorily. according to how much you are having. Next one, tax levied on shops. How many shops are brought under the custody of panchayat? ஒரு சில பஞ்சாயத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா வருமானத்துக்கே கடைகள் கட்டி பஞ்சாயத்துக்கு சொந்தமான இடத்துல கடைகள் கட்டி வாடகைக்கு விடப்படுகிறது. So that income from that shop directly goes to the president panchayat account. Okay, these are all the problems so far we have seen. These are all the voluntary functions and source of income have been seen so far. Okay, now where shall we give our complaint to government? How can I send that my problem to the government? So the government has organized 4 meetings in a year. It is a compulsory throughout India. Whether you are in Delhi or in Chennai or in Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh, anywhere. The 4 days are compulsorily observed as a Grama Sabha. As a Grama Sabha meeting. So, it is on 26th January, celebrated as a Republic Day. Then, 1st May is celebrated as a Labour's Day, Thorilalar Dinam. Then, August 15 is our Independence Day, and then October 2nd is a Gandhi Jayanti, the birth of Gandhi. So, the 4 days are compulsorily observed as a Grama Sabha in India. So, in that situation, we have to take this opportunity to extend and to take effort to put our demand to the government. Compulsorily we have to see. See, this is a Grama Sabha picture. Without any caste, any creed, any sex, any religion, are all standing here for conducting the Grama Sabha. Okay. Then, Panchayat Union. It is formed by the grouping of villages. Grouping of villages. Union means what? Unity. Formation of the Panchayat. And next one, the Panchayat chairman is elected by the people indirectly. People directly. And next one, all the activities that a chairman is responsible for implementation of all the programs which is coming under the Panchayat Union. And next one, the collector, the planning officer and BDO are supervising the work which is carried in Panchayat Union. What are their functions of Panchayat Union? So, at present we have seen list of works to do. Okay. What are the main functions of the Panchayat Union? Supply of drinking water in all the villages. So, president focuses only the particular village. The beneficiaries are only 500, but here you see 5,000 and more than 5 to 10,000 people, they have to provide drinking water in that whole union. In that whole union. Then, village health centers, Aramba Sugadara Nilayam. Because people find difficult to go for hospital facilities. Because the hospital facilities are only in urban, only in city, only in towns. So, those people who are living cannot go immediately for their treatment. So, with the help of the Panchayat Raj, there is a proposal for establishment of health centers in rural areas. They are also focusing that maintenance of road, and then establishment of maternity homes, Prasava Vidudhi. Because many females are finding it difficult to reach the hospital on time, because of long distance. So, with the help of this program, they are taken effort to construct the maternity hospitals in the villages. Establishment of public fair, then veterinary hospitals. When the people are living, not only they are living alone, but they are also living along with a domestic animal. They are all having the poultry farm, dairy farm, then cattle rearing, sheep rearing. Anytime they may be affected by several diseases. So, in that situation, the people find to take them for hospital. So, they are all providing adequate and convenient veterinary hospital in rural areas. Next one is a social forestry, Samuga Nala Kadugal, which will give benefit to the society. Repairing primary school buildings. One of the best work of the Panchayat Union is repairing primary school buildings. ஒரு சில பள்ளிகள்லாம் பார்க்கலாம், மேலே கூரை இடிஞ்சு போய் சுவர் இடிஞ்சு போயிருக்கும். இது எல்லாமே மெயின்டைன் பண்ண வேண்டியது பஞ்சாயத்து யூனியனுடைய முக்கியமான ஒரு பணி. ஓகே, district panchayat. So, the district panchayat is only one panchayat in a district. It is situated in each district. The total beneficiary must be 50,000 people. 50,000 people are getting benefit with the help of district panchayat. Suppose you think that a panchayat consists of 500 people. How many panchayats are brought under the control of district panchayat? How many benefits can be added for 50,000 people? Okay. Ward members are elected by the people directly. Here is also district panchayat. The chairman is elected among the ward members. So, either president or vice president or panchayat union chairman or district panchayat are elected from the elected members. How long they can be in the office? There also be 5 years. Either you be the president or you be the chairman of panchayat or you be the chairman of the district panchayat. Your duration is only for 5 years. They can be occupied the seat for 5 years. And next one, what are the major functions of the district panchayat? So, the district panchayat can train or to give advertisement to those panchayats are under the custody of district panchayat. Okay, what can they are going to advertise? What are all the government schemes are introduced for the benefit of the people? அரசாங்கம் என்ன திட்டங்களை மக்களுக்கு நடைமுறைப்படுத்த சொல்லி அனுப்பி இருக்கிறது, அதை பற்றிய திட்டங்களையும் அதை சார்ந்த அனுபவங்களையும் அதற்கு தேவையான பயிற்சிகளையும் கொடுப்பதுதான் இந்த டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பஞ்சாயத்தினுடைய பணிகள். To take action to implement in practice to the benefit of the people. கழிப்பறை திட்டம், தனிநபர் கழிப்பறை திட்டம். So, the government is giving that basin with the amount of rupees for the construction of the toilet facilities. How many people are going there to getting the benefit? Even now, how many people know the name of the president of their village? No. Many persons are not at all to reach the president office. They doesn't know the president name. They doesn't know the ward name. So, the government has given to everybody to take part in that Grama Sabha, to talk about for your people. It is a situation is prepared and given by the government. Next one, supervising the functions of district planning commission. How the district planning is a function for the district welfare. மாவட்டத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மொத்த மக்களுடைய வளர்ச்சி பணிகள் எவ்வாறு சென்று கொண்டுள்ளது என்பதை கண்காணிக்கவும் இந்த டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பஞ்சாயத் உள்ளது. I think so this is only the rural administration and the rural government only we have seen so far. The next class, the urban local government, that means city, corporation and metropolitan. So I am expressing my sincere thanks for you all to watch this video. Kindly see and share to others. Thank you.